Hey, today I'm going to show you how to draw a very easy dragon head. First, start with a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. After, you want to make the shape of a rectangle that gets a little bit smaller at the end. Draw the neck like two slanted S's. Once you did that, add your horn above the snout and then the mouth outline. Then the head horns and ears. Lower the opacity if you're on digital, so your sketch won't be visible through your outline. To show the dragon has a snout, add a little line down and trace the line. Draw the eye shape however you want. If you want a realistic look, make the eye look small. For detail, add an oval-shaped eyebrow, a V shape for the underbelly, and a U shape for its scales. You can add small horns for its back. For a small detail, add lines to show the horns have texture, and these lines to show it's scaly. After, you can add little or U shapes to add texture on the face for a more scaly texture.
Please like and subscribe. It took hours.